Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Jamaican oxtail. I've cleaned off the majority of the fat that was around the rim. So you're just going to want to take a knife and clean off those parts. And then when you're done, take a lemon or a lime or vinegar, whichever one you have, and just clean it off and then put it in a strainer. So the seasonings that people usually use, first we have some black pepper, some onion powder, some garlic powder. If you have the whole pimento seeds, then you'd use that. I don't have those on hand right now, so I'm just gonna use the ground up pimento, which is allspice. We have a little bit of soy sauce, and then you have some Worcheshire sauce. I hope that's how you say it. For right now, these are the things that we're gonna be seasoning the oxtail with, as well as 1 onion, and it's gonna go in the pressure cooker for 20 minutes, and then we add a little bit more things to it, but we're gonna start with these. So we have the black pepper first, onion powder, garlic powder, powdered pimento seeds, so right now, if you want, you can put some browning in it, but because we already put the Worcestershire sauce and soy sauce, it's gonna do the same thing. So I only put enough oil in there to cover the pot bottom, and now we're also gonna add a little bit of sugar. This is gonna help the oxtails caramelize. The oil is now sizzling, and so is the sugar. So we're actually gonna take the oxtails and we're gonna put it in there now. So like I said, we want to get some color onto the oxtail. We want to brown him up a little bit. So we're not going to cover it or anything. We're just trying to achieve the color first. So this is the proper brown color that we were trying to achieve. I'm just going to throw enough water in there to cover the meat so that I can pressure it. So we're gonna take the rest of our seasonings in the bowl. So we have a whole tomato cut up, 2 pegs of garlic, 1 whole onion, and a few sprigs of thyme, and also, I would say, about a whole carrot. We're gonna finish the seasoning and put these in there. Now that it's been reducing for a while, we're gonna add a little bit of ketchup.
Yo, you don't need no thin cutter to cut the damn thing, you know? As in this house, we have all kinds of ways to cut things, isn't it? We just use a knife and cut it right round like this. You don't need no thin cutter because they never work.
Also just gonna add our lima beans, or butter beans as they're called, into here as well. So our oxtails are boiling now. We've taken the lid off, and we're just gonna leave the lid off the remainder of the period that we're cooking it. So the rice and peas is finished cooking now, and our oxtail is also finished cooking. So this is our final product. This is our resident Jamaican. We're gonna see what he thinks about it.
Yo, you know what? I love pepper on my foods, in Jamaican red pepper, is it? In black pepper, we call it so. Wicked, tastes good, man. Wicked.
2 thumbs up.
10 thumbs up.
Thank you.
Yeah, wicked.
So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you want to know how to make rice and peas, then that video should have already been posted. I think that's it. If you guys have any questions about anything, please leave a comment down below. If you have any requests, comment down below. This recipe will also be in the description box. And if you're not already following my food blog Instagram. It's called Robust Official Page. If you're not following my Instagram, it's Sheynice B. Go follow those too, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day. Bye guys.